I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're having trouble with payments on the PlayStation app, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the PlayStation app installed. Go to your device's app store and check for any available updates. Step 3. Clear cache. If the app is still giving you trouble, try clearing the cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, PlayStation App Storage, Clear Cache. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can fix issues. Turn off your device completely, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Step 5. Contact support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to PlayStation support. They can provide specific guidance tailored to your account and issue. Remember, payment issues can often be resolved quickly with these steps. If you still have problems, don't hesitate to get in touch with support for further assistance. Happy gaming!